Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up Terraform on Ubuntu in Google Cloud Platform. So simply click the link in the description box to come to this marketplace listing for Google Cloud Platform, and from here you want to create a new virtual machine. For that, simply click on Launch. After that, you would be brought to this screen from where you can customize your virtual machine. So give your virtual machine a deployment name. Choose the region or zone where you want your virtual machine to be deployed. After that, scroll down and choose the disk size according to your requirements, and scroll down even more and accept this agreement and click on deploy. After that, you need to simply wait for the deployment process to complete. Once the deployment is complete, you need to access the SSH terminal of your virtual machine. For that, simply click on this hamburger icon, scroll down and hover over Compute Engine and then click on VM Instances. And then on this page you can see your newly created virtual machine. Scroll to the right and you see this option that says Connect and SSH. Simply click on SSH. This is going to open up the SSH terminal in a new window. And then simply wait for this window to connect to the SSH terminal of your virtual machine. Once inside the SSH terminal, we want to confirm the installation of Terraform. So for that we have the command terraform -v or version, then simply hit enter. Now this is going to show us the Terraform version that we are currently running on our Ubuntu hosted on Google Cloud Platform. So as you can see that we are running the version 0.12 on our Ubuntu. Now we can run some basic Terraform commands such as terraform -init, that is going to initialize the Terraform in an empty directory, and then simply hit enter. Or we can maybe run something like terraform -help. Anyways, that was it for this very short tutorial on how to set up Terraform on Ubuntu hosted on Google Cloud Platform. The link to deploy Terraform on Ubuntu from the Google Cloud Marketplace has been listed down in the description box. So if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.